In this video, I will show you how to clean C drive in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, as you can see we're here on my Windows 11 desktop, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and then type disk cleanup. Just like so. Underneath Best Match, you should now see Disk Cleanup come up, so give that a click to open up your Disk Cleanup. And from here, you want to make sure you selected your C drive. What you can then do is tick the boxes for the files that you want to delete. So you can see we've got, for example, temporary internet files, downloaded program files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and you can see how much space each of these is using. So what I'm going to do is just tick the two at the top, so temporary internet files and downloaded program files. And then what you can do is come down and click onto the cleanup system files button here. What it's going to do is just take a minute or two to run through, calculate and clean up your C drive. Once that's done, all you need to do is come and click onto OK, just like so. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Just go ahead to click delete files. What it's going to do is clean up your C drive, so it might just take a minute or two depending on how much you're choosing to delete and clean up. But once the process has finished, you would have now freed up some space on your C drive, and that is how to clean up C drive in Windows 11. So with that being said, if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.